Here I've got ESSENTIELB Woze L, and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at the very beginning you have to pick the language that you would like to have your device in. So just come along with the all possible options and choose the language that you would like to apply. In my case it's English. Then pick the region and tap on Get Started. You can insert your SIM card if you want to, but you can also do it later, so let me skip this step for now. Now you can set up this device as a new one, or you can copy data from your previous phone, but I would like to set it up as a totally new one. And now it's time to connect to Wi-Fi. The first is mine. And now you can use your Google account if you want to, or you can skip this step by tapping on skip, but I truly recommend to log in with your Google account, as you will have access to many very useful features. So let me enter my email address. It's HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com. And tap on next then. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And once the password is entered, tap on next. And here you have to come along with all Google terms of service and privacy policy, and if you do agree with all the conditions, tap on I agree. And as you can see here, we've got all Google services. If you'd like to switch off some of them, smoothly tap on the switcher and they would be deactivated, but actually I do recommend using all of them, and then tap on next. And you can add some pin code pattern or whatever, but you can also do it later, so let me skip it for now. Then click on continue, and you can give Google permission to help you, but I will skip it for now also. And if you would like to add another Google account or any other account, or use your voice as OK Google feature, you can do it now, but you can also set it up later, and this is what I would pick. And that's it. As you can see, we've just activated the phone, and you can do whatever you want to with it. So just change the wallpaper, add contacts, search browser, do whatever you want to. And this is it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.